Hey, what's up, XRP holders? This is the live price prediction, live update, and absolutely technical analysis, my brother. Too. Let's see, my brother, what's going on in XRP, and this time, can XRP will make you a millionaire or not, my brother? So first of all, as you can see, my brother, the prediction is on the screen. Let's predicate this coin, my brother, to what's going on this time. As you can see, my brother, the price prediction of XRP, I will start now, but kindly before I get started this video, I will request to subscribe this channel and also press the bell icon for more this type informative video. So kindly subscribe it. This time, as you can see, my brother, the XRP average is completely go in the moon, my brother, and average is completely show you to an upcoming time there is more chances so they will moving upward now. You know why? Because as you can see here, my brother, especially after a very long time, XRP started moving upward. Now just take a short time, especially in last month in May, my friends, they will completely fade us down. But definitely, you can see here, absolutely after a very long time, after a failed every cryptocurrencies take a very huge jump. So this time is absolutely right. You can see here after a very long time they take a jump, but definitely you can see here, my brother, this time they also take a short fail. But after that, I hope, my friends, that they will take a again huge jump now. So let's see, my brother, to what's going on this time. I'm 100% sure, my brother, to upcoming times they will moving upward. Let's see, my brother, to what's going on in the last 1 hour. All right, exactly, I'm right, my brother. You can see here this time the chain anchor will be positive now. 1 hour update is on the screen. You can see here, my brother, and I already I predicted this coin, and I will tell you to upcoming time there is more chances to them moving upward. So exactly, my friend, after a fail they take a jump. You can see here this time after a fail they take a jump. It's mean to upcoming time there is more chances to XRP will move go in the moon, and the price will be increased now 0.9 yen. I think they will hit go now just in only today, my friends. They will hit $1 USD. Wow, what's a brilliant news, my friends, for all of you. So kindly before I give you one good news, kindly subscribe this channel and press the bell icon for videos notification. The good news is that, my friend, to XRP giveaway is coming soon. You need to just subscribe. Just 10,000 subscribers completed now. We need just 300 subscribers, my brother. Kindly do it, man. Click the subscribe button and press the bell icon for videos notification.